crafty, Sparky.
Well, we got the frame over there sent to us. California. Got it made. So we're gonna go ahead and box it real quick. Now that moto's here. There it is. But we're not here to cover her. Alright, we gotta clean up the shop.
That's a big maybe. Do your research first, okay?
Got it made. So we're gonna go ahead and box it real quick. So stay tuned. God bless America. Right. So she looks like. That's what it looks like. Sweet job, Eric. Looks good. Just needs paint. Ooh, this hobby 212 trike. Oh yeah. This guy. Hell yeah. Nice. Okay. Y'all stay tuned, we'll unwrap it.
Hey yo, throw a peace sign, say what's up to the cars. Looking at my girlfriend on the handlebars. Grown ass man, I be looking like a tar. I'm saving gas money, dog. Times are freaking hard.
Sparky.
I like what you did there.
Ride 20-inch rims like a motherfucker. Pedal to stay slim, your girl wants me to call her. If I think she's hot, then I might just holler. Yeah, your car's fast, but can you bunny hop that in?
Yeah, check it out. We'll check her out.
Yeah.
For sure.
Hey, yo, y'all see my new pegs? Yo, I've been riding dirty since I was a little tight. Hit the street swerving, that's when I be getting hyped. See me on a Diamondback, red light.
Good bunch of motley crew that know their stuff.
He's the motor.